So I'm here with Josh from Fallon Solutions because we're going to replace this old hot water system with a brand new Rheem Stellar 315 litre hot water system. So why are we replacing this unit? What's wrong with it?
So this unit here was sufficient for the couple that lived in this house previously, but now that there's 4 people moving into the home and using the hot water on a daily basis, we're going to upgrade from 250 litres to 315 litres.
Okay, so that means there's enough water for everybody.
Yeah, that's right, Mick.
Okay, great. And so what are the other signs that you would look for if you're thinking about replacing it or wondering when you should replace hot water systems?
So generally what we look for is any corrosion of the tank, water leaking from the tank, the valves, rust coming through your taps, possibly even a high energy bill, or maybe even strange noises coming from the tank.
Right, okay. And so Fallon Solutions, generally recommend Rheem systems.
Yeah, that's right.
So why do you recommend Rheem?
So Rheem have been manufacturing hot water systems here in Australia since 1939. That's over 80 years of manufacturing experience.
So there's generations of Australian families that have used Rheem.
Yeah, that's right, Mick.
So what are the other benefits of a Rheem system?
So the particular benefit of this system here, the Stella, is its stainless steel tank. So not only is the material of the tank a lot stronger than your standard mild steel, but it also doesn't require what we call a sacrificial anode.
A sacrificial anode?
That's right, Mick. A sacrificial anode in the standard steel system is a rod which goes down through the center of the tank to about here, and it's designed to be eaten away by electrolysis, saving the tank material. The problem being, this needs to be replaced every 5 years to maintain that protection of the tank.
Right, so obviously the rod's there to protect the rest of the tank, but if you don't change the rod, the tank starts to get eaten away.
That's right.
Oh, gee, right,
Benefit
okay.
this one doesn't have it. It doesn't need it because it's a stainless steel, so it saves you any maintenance costs.
So how do I know I'm getting the right system for my place?
But the best way is to have a licensed plumber come around your house and they'll have a look at the amount of people that you have in your home, as well as the amount of bathrooms, and potentially look at the energy efficiency you're looking for.
That's brilliant, Josh. Thanks very much, mate.